You bought your house for me. I'm putting it.
Put it. You destroy my picking destiny. Leave her. Not be now racial to someone married.
Go and
don't deceive her.
Go and give your daughter proper home training.
Trainer because you can't carry him. Your mother, all my 6 children, all graduates, well placed. You go marry illiterate like you.
You see that is an illiterate.
Illiterate like
all
you.
Your child, who is better than me? All your children, who is better than me?
All of them.
God forbid.
All of them. All of them. You know, even my last week, you know, rich in leg. Because you are an illiterate. He cannot behave the way you are behaving. Make I see you can't drive him.
It's you. You do Guy. I'm waiting for you. That guy
I dare you. Because of you, I dare you. Make you come to
I will show you.
I will
show you out.
You did say that before. You did say that before. You did say that before.
It's my hand.
Which house you get? Which house you get?
Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today is about the woman where meme himself all because of his husband say he no want am again, my people. Not be small thing, no. Not be small thing we go the year for social media. This one shockalize everybody like seriously. The woman say, what even make me want to do this video be say, after 19 years of their marriage, now the man, after I don't follow the man so far, build everything, now the man can see and say, she no reach again to marry. The man can say, he want separate with him. Now the woman say, lie, he no go agree, say, before he go separate with him, this house, so be say they build together, he go born am. They did say na joke. The next thing the woman really carry for. He burned the house and she dey inside. I never see this kind of thing before. I never see this kind of thing before, my people. Eh? Men, why not they make women go they do what they're not supposed to do? And for me, it never ever reached like that where we say the woman will come just born. I said the thing shocked me when I see her, my people. The thing shocked me. Eh? All those I love you with they see for social media. You know they reach on a mouth. Now just for mouth on just day. Eh? I love you not they go anywhere. See what it will come the year. The other one wrong go cash a husband side chick. It be me itself. Accident hold on. Be me. Now side chick na get chance not to even vandalize the man. Want to vandalize them. What did they happen for this world now? What did they play? Huh? What did this word now they turn into? Let me not understand. My people, this one shocked me like. Ma put the video make una see am. Make una by una self address this issue. Eh? How this woman now just stay lost in life now? It shock everybody. You understand, my people? It shock everybody. As I they talk to us, so the woman don't be RIP. Even though man say no want you again, not be the end of the world though. It dey painful, fine, but not be the end of the world. You know what, yourself. Because a man say no, you don't want you again. No. Life goes on. You understand? So my people,
things were not so rosy for him and he was very frustrated because so it was time to pay this kid's school fees here. And he was saying there was no money. But they go club every night. And allegedly, you were sleeping at some chick's place on Instagram. I don't want to start name calling because I wasn't there and I'm not sure.
Yeah.
So I don't want to put anybody in trouble. But there was a certain girl's place on Instagram that he was crashing. So we family now, that's my brother and sister in Abuja, was like, oh yeah, come to Abuja now, we'll sort it out. Even if it's changed the children's school, we'll sort it out. But she kept on telling me that, this guy has cheated her for like 30-something years. School, she no go. Nothing, she go. She's living this marriage with 0 kobo. That the guy should settle her at least something for her to live. Because she literally said, and I quote, I made him what he is today. I begged people not to lock him up. I stood there for him when even his mother was not there for him. This same guy we are talking about here, his brother does not talk to him. He has no connection with his own family member. because I was on a call. We were on a call with his brother yesterday, earlier, when we're looking for him, and his brother was like, Omo, I don't know where in day. I have not spoken to him in years, and I can help people find him. This is supposed to be a good person. So, fast forward to the event of the whole tragic incident. He came. My sister was already getting ready to move out now. She was moving out. Then the struggle started with the papers for the house that they live in. Seems like that's the only property they had left. So she wanted to play a fast one and quickly open the safe with a welder and get the papers and move to secure. She has 5 children. She obviously has to feed them some way. Him, I don't know who gave him the information or how he got the information. Him getting the information now, drove from wherever he was and he drove straight inside to the estate. This is somebody that, like, a week before, I have a video, he kicked them out. I have a video, he kicked his wife out, he kicked the 5 children out. He said, and I quote, your mother is training you people to be like her, and you people cannot be my kids. That's what he said. So he drove home now. When he drove home, he saw that she has opened the safe now with the welder, and she locked the door. Him, he was trying to get his papers back now, and he was being violent, and he was banging the door, and she locked the door. Somehow, he grabbed her and he dragged the paper away from her. And she had no papers now. And now she wasn't going to leave without anything. So she now said, since this is the only house we have left, let's Kukuma burn it down. So the 2 of us live with nothing.
Oh, so that's what led to the fracas.
He was lighting up the whole house. Then, according to them, kerosene. She poured kerosene on her body and was like, may everything Kukuma end. Now, saying this was somebody that was madly in love with her husband. And this is not the first time her husband was threatening to kill himself if she does not come back. I have a video of that one too. So I think she probably expected that him go say, no, do am. Or do am. Then when she did it, she now stopped for a while and she walked around the house. He was not saying anything. He was like, if you won't die, die. That's what he said. Then I think she lighted up the curtain. According to the girl that was there, the girl said as she lighted up the curtain and was burning, they were now dragging. She tried.
Sorry, I lost you there. She now lit up the curtain.
Yeah, and the curtain was burning. He showed it in his video too. And she now jacked him like, Omo, you go give me this paper today. Then him pushing her off his body got her into the curtain.
There were so many allegations that he was into rituals and she helped him with the rituals. Are you aware?
It's possible. She would help him with anything. It's possible. I agree. It's very possible. She would do anything for him. She has a tattoo of his name on her neck. His name.